Hello everyone, welcome back to YouTube channel. Today's video is very interested. So let's get started and subscribe. Firstly, I open Illustrator. I take my size and you take your size. Now I file tool for click and open my art file. And this opacity take a less than. And I choose a color selection. Then I select a circle shape. And it convert a path and this stroke it. And I select a path. It is to be a hard. Then I need to act. And then it's 4. And then it's. Now I select a circle. And I take copy. You can do a Ctrl+C. And extra side for remove. And I select for it. And then it's. And then it's for draw. It's okay. Then it's some custom. And then it's 4. Okay, it's look beautiful. And I also am custom. And it's 4. Okay, it's perfect. Then I take a rectangle shape and select for this logo and color selection. Then I take a circle shape and selection color and this copy. It's okay. Then again, select a path. Oh, some problem. And then it's for its look as some shadow. And its copy. Then I some customize it. Now I select a text and choose Font Select. Okay, today video is end. And this channel is Education Channel. And please subscribe my channel. Bye bye.